You may notice over the years that the aluminum insert in your console is looking either pretty scratched up or beat up with dents and marks as it aged. A simple replacement can give your console a refreshed look and bring life back into it. Hey, I'm Dennis and welcome back to our OPGI product feature powered by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Today we're going to be looking at a 1968 through 72 Chevelle and El Camino center console aluminum inserts. These sets include the front and rear portion of your console. Our aluminum inserts are available for automatic and 4-speed based consoles. These are manufactured from stamped aluminum to identical OEM specifications, so you can use this on your original or Resto Parts reproduction console. Unlike others on the market, we finish every insert with a brushed machine look, just like the originals, that is consistent throughout the part. Quality and attention to detail is an understatement, and you'll be happy that you chose Resto Parts as your trusted brand in restoration. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.